We're gonna have a lot of fun today. We're gonna start by checking in with our friends at SwitzerCult. They've got some great ideas for your living room and dining room.
Hi, Mark and Mandy. I'm here at SwitzerCultCreative to show you how to create and design a beautiful dining space. I didn't have far to go in this showroom. It has some beautiful curated pieces, a lot by European and local designers, and it was really a delight to put together this space for you. I first want to start with the focal point of the room. This is from the Emerald collection, this dining room table. And I just love using mid-century modern pieces in a space, and this walnut is a showstopper. Another thing that I love to do is switch up your chairs. You don't always have to have matching chairs around a dining room table. I love the fact that we used walnut sculptural molded chairs on either end of this beautiful table, and then use these other four that are shaped and gorgeous in this dove gray leather, and they really add some sparkle to this neutral backdrop that we have on the walls. Another artist has created these beautiful hand-blown glass bowls, and again, just adding, you could add anything you'd like to a space, but adding some glass elements really adds some sparkle. A chandelier is an integral piece. This is a gorgeous cascade of hand-blown glass bowls that are in a really interesting color called New Blue, and they really take on different elements when you're dimming those lights. But I can't help but talk to you about my favorite piece in the room. I love a credenza. I get passionate about using credenzas in any space, but in this dining room, it's just such an elegant addition. It's from the Emerald collection, and it really is an integral focal point. I love the fact that you can use a credenza for storage, putting your table linens in it, glassware, votive candles, and he's got some really deep doors and drawers that he's used to be able to do that. But I wanted to show you this fabulous interior. A bar is such an integral part of creating some fun and wow with your guests, and when you open this up, it really is a delightful surprise element, and that's what he's done here. Vignettes are so important, so this arrangement of different shaped glass mirrors are really sparkly and special. I love the use of the lacquered walnut with this same tone of dove gray and then this beautiful yellow. Sconces, again, adding some interest to the space, great for lighting. Ambient lighting is so important when your guests are enjoying their dinner. And then, of course, this beautiful lamp as a sculptural element, pillowy and dreamy. I sure hope that today's tips have helped you to create the dining room of your dreams.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.